Where are the wires? Charge the phone. Oh my gosh, where's the block? Who's got the block? Where's the block at? Block, where are you? Block. Where is the block? Yes, block! Wrong block. That ever happen to you? We're gonna fix it today. Let me show you how. All right guys, we are going to install this USB, USB-C, USB-C plug right here today. Let's get started. When replacing an outlet, all that you need are really just two tools, screwdriver and a flathead. Let's take the plate cover off with the flathead. You want to make sure that you always go outside and shut the breaker off, or in the garage and shut your breaker off first so you don't get zapped with some 110. Once it's unscrewed, you'll pull that baby out like so, and you just need to undo your two positive wires, your neutral wire, and your ground wire. You also may need a pair of pliers if you end up with this style of plug where they've actually inserted the wire in the back as opposed to placed it down inside the screw. So you could undo the screws and then just the wires fall out. But if they're stuck in the back here like this, you usually need a pair of pliers like so to pull your wires out. All right, once it's all apart, you're gonna put it right back together the same way. Your gold is your positives, which are your black wires, and then your silver is your neutral wire. And then of course you've got your ground back here. The way you do these is when you're inserting them here like so, you make a little bend in your wire like here for your neutral. I'll start with the neutral. I make a little bend in it like this, just like so, so it has a hook that it goes around the screw on, just like that. Once you've got that bent around, I like to pull the outlet back to me to make it tight against the screw, and then you can set that screw down again. And then when you have two wires, these two blacks to insert, you can actually put them in the middle of this whole thing. So I'm going to stick one on each side of those, so they look like this. Again, I'm applying a little bit of pressure towards the wires. And you can tighten those down now. And lastly is the ground. And you insert that ground behind it, just like so, in between the two pieces of metal. Now that should be hot. So we go back outside before I push it in. I go just to make sure, because I have had faulty outlets before. I'm gonna go back outside, I'm gonna turn the breaker on, and I'm gonna test it real quick. You can use any corded item. What I happen to have handy was just a simple heat gun, so plug it in, fire it up. Heat gun works, so plug works, we're ready to roll. Let's install it. And lastly, the easy part, just place your cover on. And there you have it, outlets installed. You've got a USB, you've got two USB-Cs, plus you've got the outlet. So very, very nice, and really done in probably less than 5 minutes, that fast. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much.